Smartphone maker Realme has announced their new wired earphones in India called Realme Buds Classic, which retails at Rs 399. Well, this earphones gets half an ear design with a round shape that fits comfortably into your ear canal. It has an inline microphone for calling as well as built-in single remote to control your music playback and incoming calls. And hey, what's up everybody, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya and today I am going to do the review of this Realme Buds Classic. As you guys already saw the unboxing experience and my little first impression of this new wired earphones, which is Realme Buds Classic. So now without wasting any time, let's start the review. Alright guys, so let's talk about the build quality and the design. So starting with the wires, then it is made up of TPU material and it looks very solid in my uses. However, the joints are not so properly built and it looks little loose in my opinion, but it's not weak as well. And if you roughly use this earphones, then I guess you can at least use this for 1 year without any problem in my opinion. Well, I don't know about long-term uses, but one good thing is that this thing made up of plastic instead of rubber, so that's good from long-term durability point of view. And overall the build quality is good according to the price point, and this thing is also built properly with Realme branding, and you will get single button remote, and on the back you will get the Realme branding as you can see. And one more thing, a good thing, that they use a good material in this earphones instead of a rubber earphone, because rubber earphones tangle very easily, but in this case you cannot tangle this earphones very easily. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but you can easily separate both the earphones, something like this. Let me show you again. I will try my best to tangle this earphones, and let's see this time. So here we go, and you can see the result. So it's nice to have this type of thing in a 400 rupees earphone. Alright guys, now let's talk about the comfort of these earphones except the wires. If you have the problem with wires, then go with TWS, but you are okay with wires, so let's talk about the earphones. So it is very comfortable inside your ear and you will not feel any kind of pain even after listening for 2 to 3 hours of continuous music or any type of thing. You will not get any pain, and also you will not feel that you are wearing anything. Now if you walk or run, then you will feel, but if you are like sitting on the chair and working or I mean doing anything in a stationary mode, then you will not going to feel anything like you are wearing. And one more very little thing I noticed, that these earphones are very tiny, so it fits perfectly inside your ear as you can see. I mean, there is no part of earphone is outside your ears. So if you are in rest mode and you just want to put your head on the pillow or sofa, so it will not give pain at that time also. Like I can't feel anything. So this is a very small thing and it's weird to explain, but I noticed and I like this, so that's why I'm mentioning this here. Now if we talk about the sound quality, then at 50 to 60% volume you will not get the loudness and the bass, but at 80 to 100% volume you will get the loudness and the bass and the punchiness of the music instruments, especially the beats, like, which is very impressive and I liked a lot. Well guys, I don't prefer 80 to 100% volume. I always love to listen music at 50 to 60%, but in other good earphones I get that same loudness and bass at 50-60%, whereas in this Realme Buds Classic I get the same thing at 80 to 100%. But at 80 to 100% I noticed one more thing, that the vocals are little muffled. It's not very clear. Like at 50 to 60% it's good, but after like 90 to 100%, 80 to 100%, in between 80 to 100, it's get little muffled, which I don't like. But guys, we can't complain, because at the end of the day this is just a 400 rupees wired earphones, and at that price point you will get a very good sound quality earphones. Now guys, talking about the call quality, then again you won't find any problem. It's very good in terms of call quality. I took like 4 to 5 calls and the person can't identify that I'm talking through the phone or this wired earphone, so it's very good. Alright, now let's quickly do the latency test of these earphones and let's see that is there any latency while playing games or not. Well guys, you will get zero latency in gaming, but still I won't recommend you to buy this earphone just to play games, because you will get the surrounding noise, because this will not do any kind of ceiling in your ear, so you will get the surrounding noise. And also the volume is little low in PUBG game. If you want gaming earphones or headphones, then save your money and do one-time investment in higher end gaming headphones. That will be much better choice than those cheap earphones or headphones. I mean, not only this, the Realme Buds Classic, don't invest in any cheap earphones or headphones. So guys, that's been it. This is my review of the Realme Buds Classic. As you can see, like if you are a normal listener, normal music listener, and if you want a good wired earphone, then yeah, you can go with this. And also, if you guys want to see the comparison with Realme Buds 2, then I can make, if you guys tell me in the comment box below. Well guys, that's it from today's video. If you like the content, then smash the like button. Also share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it right now, and also tap the bell icon, select all to get all the notifications of my videos. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.